Hello everybody, Bizarre here, 10642. Today, random Doctor Who fans who like Doctor Who so much. I'm not a big fan of Doctor Who, but I like for sonic screwdrivers. They are amazing. Okay, the main question is, how do you get the batteries out from a sonic screwdriver? That is easy. When you got the glass case, you must use this kind of screwdriver. You have to get this from a set. Unscrew this and this to take the lid off. From there, you're going to ask how you get the batteries from there. You see the two massive holes. I use this tiny one to plug it in to rip it out. From there, you're saying what the damage is from there. From there, I use a small flat hold on. A flat screwdriver to like dig it in and pop it out. Here for popping motion. Like so. And you can slide it back in. From here, I'm copying the YouTuber who do a little customization on the button work. To hold it down. You see? You can hold it down. Watch. The button is loose. You can hold it down original. But immediately it will pop up. I'm going to unscrew these with Allen key, try and pop that off, modify the button from there. Sorry. Okay, now I'll show you how to sort out the 12 Doctor's battery problem. Now I'm going to show you, how to do all this. Well, most YouTubers now show you how to get the batteries out from this bit. Hold on. Peace sake. Sorry about my language. Okay, take that out. That'll be easy. You flip it the other way round, you see these little holes? Got the same thing. Poke it and you got the batteries out. Ta-da! It will work on the other sonic screwdrivers, the 9s and the 10s. From there, you're going to say, oh, I've been pressing down on the flat bit, on this button bit. You say flat bit, you can sort that out. You can raise it back up. About how? When you're sorting that out, where buttons get too deep, I suggest, and like you use it a lot, I suggest don't press it a lot down, it will ruin it a bit. Okay. Now. Okay, basso back in. And there you go. Hold on, let me screw this on. And this is Car 10642 signing out. Peace.